Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your LearnWorlds site using DropInBlog. Now, even though LearnWorlds has its own blogging feature, integrating DropInBlog to your LearnWorlds site will make running your blog simpler and more efficient. Once you're logged into your LearnWorlds account, in your dashboard, on the menu here on the left under My School, click on Site Builder. And a slide-in menu will appear. In this menu under Site Tools, click on Blog. Your blog setup page will load. Make sure to click on this toggle beside Enable Blog to turn it on. Here you can edit your blog name. We'll keep that the way it is and update your blog description and find your blog RSS. Now let's scroll back up and click on Edit Blog over here. You'll then be taken to your site builder, and here taking up the larger part of the window is your preview, where you can also click on the elements and customize them. So click on any of these, and the settings will pop up on the right. Hover over between the blog title and the footer until this Add Section button appears, and click on it. The Add Section pop-up will appear. Then on the left-hand side, where you can see all of your options, find and click on Embed. We'll click the first one over here. As you can see, the section has been added. Now, you need to get the 2 lines of code from DropInBlog to integrate your blog into your LearnWorlds site. So let's access our DropInBlog account. I already have it open in another tab. I'll just click on it to go there. In your DropInBlog's code and layout page, scroll down a bit, and under blog code, you'll see the 2 lines of code that you need to copy. Click inside the text box of the first one to copy it. Then go back to your LearnWorlds site builder. Click inside the embed section. The input should appear on the right, then paste your first line of code. Go back to your DropInBlog's code and layout page. Click inside the text box of the second line of code to copy it. Then go back to your LearnWorlds tab. Hit Enter to start a new line and paste your second line of code. Scroll down inside this settings window. Then click on Update. There's a confirmation. Then on the upper right, click on Save and wait for the confirmation. Great, there it is. Now let's check the site out. To do that, just click on this eye icon beside Save, and your site will be opened in a new tab. And there it is. Now to finalize, you need to link this blog page that we just made to your DropInBlog account. This is to make sure that all your future posts work accordingly and appear in your site smoothly. Just click inside the address bar and make sure to only select this portion of the URL. And copy it and go back to your DropInBlog tab. We're still on the code and layout page, and by the way, if you scroll down a little bit, DropInBlog has design customizations where you can change your link color over here, or the font size, primary font size of your blog. We have the primary font size set to 16. It's all good. Let's just scroll back up, and we're going to go to the settings page. Just click here. And in the settings page under blog URL over here, click inside the text box and paste the URL you just copied. Then click on Save All Changes. There it is, confirmed. Let's go back to our site and hit refresh. And we'll scroll down and pick a blog post. Let's click on this one. Let's see. And you've linked your site to your DropInBlog. Everything looks great. And that's how you add a blog to your LearnWorlds site using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!